The Amplify membership has a monthly workshop hosted by one of the TpT experts on the screen, or at least that's who's done it so far. So I want to quickly walk you through what we did this last year, 2025. First, we had Teresa Quant come in a couple times, and she does a TpT product workshop with us where we make a TpT product. So one of those was a game show that the students can play inside of Canva. The second is a bulletin board that you print and you put on the walls. So she gives us the templates for those and then walks us through how we do them. We also had Katie Cosine come in twice last year, and she did email writing workshops for us. Again, templates are included. Both of these revolved around the TPT sale. One was for the back to school sale, and then one was for the December sale. We had Jessie Yarbrough come in. She's a Pinterest strategist. She came in and did two workshops with us, both on Pinterest, one on SEO and one on the anatomy of a good pin, which of course came with templates. We have Shannon Peterka, who she did a training with us this year, videography and TPT photography for your TPT products. And then she's going to be coming back this upcoming year to do a Reels training with us, and we're going to make some Reels together. One of our favorite presenters is Mervat Tifi, who comes in. She actually came in four times last year, mostly talking about data and how to optimize your products or how to optimize your listings. She showed us how to use ChatGPT to do some of that, which resulted in us creating our own ChatGPT bot for the membership. And she did do one on color by numbers worksheets, which we did together. Another person who does one that we really like is Lynette. We had done a TPT product workshop on mazes, so she showed us how to quickly create lots and lots of mazes using the bulk edit feature inside Canva. And then she also showed us how to organize our images inside of Canva. Lastly, there is me. At the top of the page, you see we have social media templates for 4 months of the year that I give our group members. And then we do a little workshop on how to use those. We did an Amazon affiliate marketing that included Amazon merch, and that was really good, really popular. We did a bunch of color by numbers. We did one for back to school, one for Thanksgiving, one for the summer, and one for the winter holidays, so Christmas, Hanukkah, etc. I also did the product creation workshop on the mazes. We did a product creation on escape rooms, and then we also have a chat bot. And almost all of these came with templates that you can use, or if not, we were building the template together inside of our workshop. So that's a brief look at the workshops that we do inside the Amplify membership. So we have a weekly virtual hangout, and about once a month, that weekly virtual hangout is led by one of these experts who does a workshop. We build something together so that we have a product we can sell or an email we can send out or something that we can use right away, Pinterest pins that we can immediately post, etc. The other weeks that we meet, we either have a lesson that's led by a TPT expert or by myself, or we'll do a roundtable where we just talk about what we're working on, we give each other feedback, and we grow from each other's collective experiences and input. It's a great time, and so I hope you'll check it out.